Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is our Life on a Dime, and today I have an Aldi haul, so stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so today's Monday and we have a quick Aldi haul for you guys. We had just had to stop in there for a couple of odds and ends, and we did get a couple of new things in our quick little stop, so can't wait to show it to you guys. So let's get started. First thing we have are 2 boxes of the chocolate coconut bars. These things are amazing. Hubby and I are hooked on them. They are just like Mounds bars, but better. They're a nice little treat, so I got 2 boxes of those. We got our normal bean and cheese burritos. And then hubby saw these and he wanted to try these. They're a lot more expensive, so I hope they're good. Hubby saw them and he wanted to try them, so I said, sure, why not? I think they were like $7 and change, and I think the burritos are like $3.99, so it's almost double, but it's about average for a dinner for us, you know, like around $10 or whatever, so we're still under budget for our dinners for the night, so it's okay. And then we have a thing of sweet iced tea, the Milo sweet tea. Got 2 bags of white rice. This is for the pups for to go in their dinner. We got a thing of white mushrooms. I wonder why he got white mushrooms. Maybe he thinks that, well, I guess it doesn't matter. Mushrooms are good for you, but I've been eating the baby Bella mushrooms. Those are pretty good. Okay, what else do we have here, guys? I'm going to get confused and forget to show you guys some stuff. They only had the cage-free and the regular eggs today, so we ended up with cage-free eggs today. Then we got some organic strawberries. This is for the cottage cheese at night. We slice that up and put that with some honey on our cottage cheese, and it's amazing. This is a new item. These are apple cinnamon mini muffins. That's pretty good. You get 20 of them, so that's not bad. We were out of coffee, so we ended up having to get 2 boxes of the coffee, the Donut Shop's blend, which we both really enjoy. And we got some pumpkin spice mini muffins. We got some of the ranch dressing. Have you guys noticed that in your Aldi they took out the self-checkouts? I never used the self-checkout. I always had too big of an order, and I never am that organized to do self-checkout quickly with a big order, so I always go to the one cashier that they normally have. And yeah, sure enough, they today we went in there and all their self-checkouts are missing, so I don't know if what the reasoning was. Maybe there was too much theft, I'm not sure. But it just makes for a much longer line on the regular checkout with the cashier. So I'm wondering if that's something that's happening like nationwide, or is it just in my area that they did that? So if you would, leave a comment down below and let me know how it is at your stores. Alrighty guys, and then we got our ranch dressing. This is for my son and my husband. Well, actually more so my son. He puts this on like everything. I do the light ranch, so I have my own bottle. And the other night when we were having dinner, I said something to him like, don't use all my ranch, because you know how like the light dressing is a much smaller bottle. So got some of that, so now he has his own dressing. Then we got 2 things of the wheat split top bread for sandwiches. We got some smoked turkey breasts for lunch. Again, no nitrates, no artificial flavors, no hormones. This is what hubby likes, so he ended up getting 2 of those of the smoked turkey. And then for cheeses, he got the Gouda cheese. I like Gouda cheese. And the Havarti. This is a good cheese as well. We got some raspberries for the cottage cheese. We were doing blackberries, but I'll tell you, those the seeds that are in the blackberries, you could literally like break a tooth on them. So we're gonna not do blackberries anymore. And we got raspberries. Got a bag of the mandarin oranges. I love these. You guys know I'm trying to lose weight, so when I get hungry and I just don't want to eat something with a lot of calories in it, I'll just have a couple of these, and it satisfies me for quite a while. Hubby picked these out. These are the mini eclairs. These are not that big of a container. I could have swore that they came in a bigger container, but that might have been Walmart. I haven't been at Walmart in months, so I don't remember. But yeah, so he got those mini eclairs. He loves those. Then we got some 2% milk. And they were out of regular carrots, so we ended up getting the baby carrots. I got 4 bags of baby carrots. This is for us and for the dogs. They eat those for treats. We got 2 of the low-fat cottage cheese, and that's all they had. So we got 2 of the regular, the small curd 4% low-fat milk, and then 2 of the 2% milk. So we've been eating a lot of cottage cheese here. So like I said to you guys before, like one of these containers will last like one day for us, because we split it and add a lot of, you know, like the fruit, fresh fruit and stuff like that on top of it. And it's a great little snack, healthy snack. And we got 10 of the steamable bags of mixed vegetables. Some of those are going to be for the pups. And then last but not least, we got, what do we got? 10 of the ground turkeys. These are for the pups for their dinner, and also for chili or whatever I feel like making. Tacos. It's a inexpensive dinner. I think it's like $1.99 a chub, so it's you can't beat the price. So that's why we use those. And then every once in a while I'll switch it up and you know, feed the dogs like ground beef, just different things. We don't have a set recipe for the pups, but mostly it's either ground chicken or ground turkey. I'm sorry, ground turkey or ground beef. And mixed vegetables. We'll do sweet potatoes. You know, we mix it up. Every night is kind of different, but that's pretty much our go-to, is this here, the turkey and the vegetables. So alrighty guys, that's all we got today. Like I said, it's not a normal shopping haul for us. It's just to fill in for things that we were running out of. And money doesn't go very far nowadays, I'll tell you that much. Here's our receipt. Guess how much we spent. I'll cover it so you guys can't see what we spent. And here we go. Leave a comment down below how much you think we spent. And I love that you guys are leaving just emoji comments when you just feel like saying hello, but you really don't have, you know, have anything to say. You just want to leave an emoji down below in the comments. That's an awesome way to interact, and I love it. I love seeing them. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so we spent $141.22 on this. Kind of painful. A little painful, but that's all right. It's life. You know, we're doing the best we can to, you know, to get by. I'm sure everybody else is, so we're not going to complain. We're just going to do the best we can and just keep plugging along, right? That's all you can do. All right, guys, if you like this kind of content, please, would you hit the like button? We also have a hype button that's down below next to the like button. All you have to do is hit the hype button if you want to help us grow our channel. We are, it doesn't cost anything, and what it does, it gives us points for our video. And for however many points you get, it kind of pushes it out even further than normal. So it's just a good way to interact you know, with the algorithm and to help us out, and it doesn't cost you guys a dime. And also subscribing. If you guys like this kind of content, please would you subscribe so that you'll be notified the next time we put up a video. We haven't been putting up as many videos as I would like, but that's only because the food shopping is getting more and more expensive, so I'm going less and less. And also we have not been doing any kind of food pantries or anything like that. And I just feel like there's people that are far worse off than we are that can go and do that. And yeah, I'm going to try my best not to have to go back there, and leave it for, you know, people that are really, 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 really hurting, you know, because we're hurting, but, you know, we'll get by. It just makes it a little easier on you for the month if you get a little help from the food pantry. So enough of enough about that. And but that's why I haven't been putting out as much content, so it's greatly appreciated that you guys are interacting with the videos that I do put up. It really helps out a great deal. And I just want to say thanks for watching, and as always, stay blessed.